press conference. I'm joined by our winning coach, Coach Ronald Tubid. Congratulations, Coach. Coach, usually the pressure builds in anticipation for debuting coaches getting their first win. Nakuha mo na yun today. How important was it to get this bounce-back game for you?
Well, it's very important for the team because nung first game namin, medyo yung mga bata is so excited. They know na kaya nila. So, credit to the coaches kasi inano talaga namin yung ano ng mga bata eh. Sabi namin mga coaches, once malaman ng mga bata na kaya nilang manalo, yun, sinaga namin talaga. So, as coaches, pinilit namin yung mga bata na although we're undersized, as long as we compete, may chance tayo manalo.
Coach, you were also able to successfully hold down the fort today, but at one point of the game, meron kayong double-digit lead. Kaso lang, we see in the end game na it just diminished to a slight margin and a few possession ball game. How would you like to see the players improve their end game?
Well, siguro balik kami sa video kasi hindi naman naglalay yung video eh. So correct namin lahat. Then we all know this team is very young team as coaches also. So kailangan maging yung team na to kasi fast track eh. Preparation namin for like almost a month lang. So tinatyaga namin as kung saan kami strong, doon lang kami. Tsaka pinapaalala namin sa mga bata na as long as we compete, may chance manalo talaga.